Hey friends, if you wish to fix a task host window, task host has stopped responding, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to disable fast startup. And how would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the power options window. And now click on choose what the power button does. Select change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck this box, click on Save Changes. This is the first solution. The second solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now, if this doesn't work either, then the last solution is to update Windows. So, right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates and make sure that each and every update is installed. Then restart your computer as well for double affirmation, and that will be the main solution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.